Hi, I'm Mel from Space, and today I'm going to show you how to create this peace love typography design using the blend tool. Super easy to do in Adobe Illustrator. Alright, let's go. Alright, first up, same thing, we're going to create the artboard in the color that we want and the color palette on top of it. And then we're going to create the text piece, change the font. Let's use a font this time. Let's go to maybe this. Right, the caps it and change the color. So we choose pink, increase the size, and centralize. So now I'm gonna duplicate and change the love. So now we have both this text. We're gonna centralize it, align to the middle. Now we're gonna warp the shape. Let's do a bulge. Yes, so 25 looks good. Do the same for love. Let's try the effect. Fish eye. Okay, let's use fish eye for this. So peace and love. So that's the two words that we hope the world can achieve and attain. Now we're gonna expand the word peace. Select the word peace, go to object, expand appearance. And do the same thing for love. So now both text is expanded. We're gonna use this Parker tool. I'm gonna change the size to a bigger size. No, it doesn't work. Now let's change it to another size. Now love and peace looks like they are distorted. So another way to do this is of course the envelope mesh tool. But we can also use this way to kind of liquefy the text, drag it any way we want to. So now we have a distorted peace and love text, which looks pretty cool. Okay, so now with these two texts, we're gonna copy and duplicate both texts and change it to a little lighter color of the background. It's like a lighter orange reddish color. I'm gonna shift it to the back so the bigger text will be on the front. Now I'm gonna select both big and small text. Go to object, blend, mix. So we have used this tool many times. So this is to show like a very blended gradient blur glitch effect of the text. We're going to specify the steps and go 200. So it looks like a 3D text, which is what everyone loves, right? 3D text without the 3D. So now we're going to emphasize on the word peace and love. So to do that, we're going to have to duplicate the bigger text that was on top. Let's make the smaller one smaller first so that we can show like a deeper effect. Like the depth is much deeper. So this is used everyone uses this effect so that they can show like the text is zooming out of a tunnel vision. So now I'm going to copy the bigger text and paste it back in front and change the color so that the text in front is more emphasized and easier to read. So we're going to change the lighter colors. This color looks good. So we're going to use this color. So this is the final design. So let me know what you think. Alright, thank you so much for watching. We hope you liked this video. And do remember to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos. And also visit our website and drop us an email or DM if you have any questions or you need any help with creative services. So if you want to learn how to better your design skills, do like this video, hit the like and subscribe button. And we can help with like branding. You're starting a small business, you need a logo, you need packaging design, you need social media especially, TikTok videos or whatever. Just let us know. Drop us an email, drop us a DM, and we will reply you when we can. Alright, see you next time. Bye!